Hey sneakerheads, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special for you, an exclusive look at the Air Jordan 4 x Nike SB Military Black. And there's a twist. We've got the slightly stained version. Stick around to find out more. Cut to close-up shots of the Air Jordan 4 Nike SB. Feast your eyes on this beauty. The iconic Air Jordan 4 silhouette meets the street-ready style of Nike SB, and the result is nothing short of stunning. Now, what makes this pair truly unique is the slight stain. It's not a flaw, it's a story. Imagine the adventures these kicks have been on. This adds character and a touch of individuality that you won't find in any other sneaker. Before we dive deeper, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Nike SB and Air Jordan have a history of groundbreaking collaborations, pushing the boundaries of design and style. The Military Black Edition pays homage to that legacy. From the military-inspired colorway to the signature Jumpman logo, every detail has been carefully crafted. The fusion of materials creates a unique texture that not only looks good, but feels premium. It's not just about looks. These kicks are designed for comfort and performance. Whether you're hitting the streets or the skate park, the Air Jordan 4 and Nike SB Military Black has got you covered. Right now, I am showing you unboxing the Air Jordan 4. Now let's talk styling. These sneakers are versatile, perfect for casual streetwear or dressing up for a night out. Pair them with your favorite jeans or throw on some joggers. The possibilities are endless. Here's the scoop. These are a limited edition release. That means you're not just getting a pair of sneakers, you're getting a piece of sneaker history. Better act fast before they vanish into sneaker legend. So, what are you waiting for? Hit the link in the description to grab your Air Jordan 4's Nike SB Military Black Slight Stain before they're gone. Don't miss out on being part of the sneaker revolution. Conclusion. Thanks for tuning in, sneaker fam. If you enjoyed this exclusive look, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments if you're copping these kicks. Until next time, stay fresh, stay fly. This is Review Squad signing off.